I'm Paul Basilka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 18th question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1, number 18 reads, which choice completes the text that conforms to the conventions of standard English? When that's the question, you always want to look at the answer choices first. You want to ask yourself certain questions based on what the answer choices say. First off, notice answer choice A and B are identical. One has a semicolon, another has a period. When you see that, you want to eliminate both answer choices. Why? Because I've never seen an exception to that rule. The answer choices are identical. Only one has a semicolon, lowercase, after it. The other has a period, capital, after it. Eliminate both. Well, because they could both separate two independent clauses. Now, could the College Board write a question that's an exception to that rule? Yeah, they could. They could use a semicolon in a list, but I just haven't seen it before. So we could probably eliminate both those. Do your due diligence, though, and let's read the sentence up to and including fungi and see if that could be its own sentence. Beatrix Potter is perhaps best known for writing and illustrated children's books such as The Tale of Peter Rabbit, 1902, but she's also dedicated herself to mycology, the study of fungi. Could that be its own sentence? Yes, it can. Producing more than 350 paintings of fungal species she observed in nature and submitting her research on spore germination to the Linnean Society of London. Could that be its own sentence? No, it cannot. It sounds like it's a giant modifying phrase, and then after the we would have to have a comma after the word London, and I'd have to tell you something more about Beatrix Potter in order to complete the thought. So answer choice A is gone and answer choice B is gone. There's no independent clause after the semicolon or the period. And then you've got to ask yourself, hey, when do we use a comma? When we pause. Are we pausing? Let's listen in. I'm going to read it one more time. Beatrix Potter is perhaps best known for writing and illustrating children's books such as The Tale of Peter Rabbit, 1902, but she also dedicated herself to mycology, the study of fungi, producing more than 350 paintings of fungal species she observed in nature, and submitting her research on spore germination to the Linnean Society of London. Are you pausing? Yes, you are. Because, and there's kind of a reason for it, right after it says the study of fungi, comma, after the comma, it tells you exactly how she dedicated herself to mycology, the study of fungi. And so there's a natural pause there. D is going to be your correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who doesn't know that rule for the semicolon and a period, or doesn't know how to distinguish between a comma or no comma. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe up here. One's going to be subscribe. One's going to be another video on commas. So click subscribe. Check out that other video on commas. And if you're looking for shorter videos, go to YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center, and then go to the playlist. Find your test and module number. The shorter videos are just above these longer videos. Have a great day.